Folks, I am at Deerfield Highland Nature Park. We're going to do a walkthrough of the whole area. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, nature is therapeutic. Pretty dry out here. Yep. Small cactuses. This looks like a wild trail in a community. That's what I'm getting out of it. Pretty dry, open. This trail might not be too long, but you know, it's on the list, so I'm doing them all. See if we see anything out here, folks. And it's those sand trails that I hate the most, actually. I want to walk like alongside of it. Near some apartment buildings, as a matter of fact, on the outer skirt of the road. It doesn't look well capped. Actually, they need to put some type of sprinkler system in here. Everything's pretty dry. Hopefully the rain come and help a lot of it, but yeah. A lot of garbage accumulating in certain areas. I'm sure, you know, a lot of kids maybe, and even adults that stay in the area probably hang out over here, throw trash and bottles and whatever it may be in here. I see an awful lot of different trash. Beer bottles. The city needs to get in here and clean a lot of this up. I normally don't say this, but I wouldn't recommend anyone coming out of here with kids or anything like that. There's a lot of weird crap out here. Look at this, folks. Here's a safe. Come on now, here's a safe. Somebody cracked the safe open out here. What does that tell you? There's Corona bottles. But hey, like I said, I can't skip it, folks. I gotta show it all. You know, you may come out here and be like, what the hell is this? So hey, I'm warning you guys ahead of time. That's what these videos are for, to show you. I don't even think the animals want to hang out here. Probably a snake, because it looked like snake business is going on out here. We got a full bag of trash over here. Huh. I hope I don't run into anything that I don't want to see. It's like a hell of a lot of drinking going on back here. I'm going to take this made path. Let me tell them what I might see. Maybe I run into a snake or something, who knows. Leads to nowhere. Nice cactus tree though. In here somewhere. Folks, it's really nothing out here. And I barely hear birds. So maybe I should name this no man's land. I don't know. I don't want to get this place a rating. I think you guys already know, so let's not go there. Deerfield, I'm upset with you. You guys may as well send the trucks in and go ahead and build some property over here. Because right now this looks like a garbage dump. With little red flags all over the place. This is kind of upsetting. I almost want to go to another place and do another film. I normally do one a day. This might make me go do another one today. This is so dead, folks. I don't even think Bigfoot want to hang out here. This is going to be a short video. As I walk on the sand, I really don't even see any type of paw prints. I've seen is the rocks so far. And that's pretty much at the end of the trail. Folks, I am going to end this video. I've seen enough. There's pretty much nothing going on. And you know, usually I say as always, therapy is, you know, nature is therapeutic. Today is depressing. I'm not going to say it today. I'm going to end this video, and I think I'm going to shoot somewhere else. It's been nice rocking it out with you guys, and I'm out of here.